Welcome to the International Professional Development video series on project management. If you are interested to explore advanced career options in project management, you would like to watch this certification series by International Professional Development IPD. This video is on PMI-ACP certification. Make sure to click like, subscribe and the bell icons to watch project management certification videos and receive upcoming videos. If you watch this video to the end, you will be able to understand meanings of PMI-ACP, know the eligibility criteria for PMI-ACP, make decision is PMI-ACP a right choice, track the PMI-ACP application and exam process, and become aware of certification maintenance requirement. What is PMI-ACP? PMI-ACP stands for Project Management Institute Agile Certified Practitioner. It is one of the Project Management Institute PMI certifications. It is awarded to qualifying candidates who meet certain requirements and pass an examination. PMI-ACP is internationally recognized and popular certification in agile practice. PMI-ACP certification applies to projects of various disciplines, sectors, and industries and is transferable across geographic boundaries. PMI-ACP is affirmation of individual specialized knowledge and commitment to rapidly growing agile approach to project management. Graph on screen shows growth of PMI-ACP designation holders over the last 10 years. PMI-ACP credential holders numbers indicate an average annual growth of 31% over the last 5 years. Most importantly, these PMI-ACP credential holders are spread over 200 countries across the world. The growth in number displays the popularity, interest, and confidence of professionals and employers in PMI-ACP certification. Who are PMI-ACP and what they do? PMI-ACP designation holders do possess general knowledge and experience of project management. However, they also demonstrate in-depth knowledge of agile principles, practices, and tools and techniques. They can apply multiple approaches to project management. Overall, they contribute to project success as a subject matter expert in agile practices. Benefits of PMI-ACP. PMI-ACP certification has global recognition. It is great career development tool, adds value to resume, broadens job opportunities, and higher earning potentials. Certification enables to learn and apply advanced level agile approaches to project management. It certainly provides added value to employer organization and increase customer confidence. More organizations are relying on certified professionals in agile practices. You might have a question by now. Is PMI-ACP right choice for me? Following self-analysis can help you make an informed decision. Are you motivated towards professional development? Enhance your project management skills in specialized agile practices area. Are you interested in multiple certification? Already have a PMP or other certification? Then PMI-ACP can complement your existing certification. Do you want recognition and distinguish yourself among peers as Certified Agile Practitioner? Are you willing to invest time, money, and put some hard work? If answers are positive, then yes, it is an excellent move to pursue PMI-ACP certification path and bring a positive change in career. So how to get PMI-ACP? Here is the roadmap leading to PMI-ACP certification. We may divide the roadmap in 3 phases. 1. Pre-exam, 2. Exam, and 3. Post-exam. In pre-exam phase, candidates do a self-assessment to check eligibility. Once eligibility criteria is met, candidates move to the application process. Subject to approval of application, candidates enter into second phase and prepare and take the exam. After passing the exam, candidates celebrate and become PMI Agile Certified Practitioner. Third phase pertains to maintenance of the certification for rest of the career. Let us talk the PMI-ACP certification eligibility criteria for self-assessment. Eligibility criteria is based on 4 major items. 1. Education. 2. General project experience. 3. Agile project experience. And 4. Training in agile practice. PMI-ACP experience requirement is dependent on candidates' education. Secondary school diploma or associate degree holder candidates, general project experience requirement is 12 months earned in last 5 years. Unique agile project experience requirement in addition to general project experience is 8 months and earned in last 3 years. And training requirement in agile practice is 21 contact hours. For 4-year bachelor degree holders or postgraduate master degree holders, general project experience is not required. However, required experience working in agile project teams is 8 months. Training requirement in agile practices is 35 contact hours. 1 hour of classroom instruction equals to 1 contact hour. Where to get PMI-ACP training? Requisite agile practice training can be received from employer organization, PMI authorized training partner, or PMI registered education provider, a training company, a consultant, a university college academic course, or continuing education course. If you have completed a continuing education course from college or university and class schedule was say 4 hours per week for 9 weeks, it means you would earn 36 contact hours and meet the agile practice training requirement. PMI does not make mandatory any specific course or resource. What next? If self-assessment determines meeting the eligibility criteria of experience and training based on education level. Next step is to start application process. Candidates must fill the online application form on PMI website to record contact information, education, general project management experience, agile practice experience, and agile practice training, and click submit. Once application is processed, PMI will ask candidate to pay the exam fee. PMI-ACP exam fee varies based on candidate's PMI membership status. For PMI members, exam fee is $435, while for non-members it is $495. PMI membership fee is $129 a year. To apply for PMI-ACP certification, candidates don't have to be member of PMI. To summarize the application process, candidates fill in and submit online application on PMI website and record education, experience, and training. Normal application review period is 10 days. However, it may take longer if application is selected randomly for audit. During the audit, candidates may be asked to verify the information provided in the application. Once application review is complete, pay exam fee. Upon approval, candidate gets an eligibility ID, which is the key to move to exam process. PMI-ACP exam is conducted as a center-based testing or CBT. In it, candidates sit in the exam at a local Pearson VUE testing center. Online practice testing or OPT is also available for PMI-ACP exam. In it, you can take the exam from home or office. To take OPT exam, you need a computer, mic, webcam, and reliable internet. You are monitored during the exam through webcam and mic. From the date of issue of eligibility ID, candidate has 1 year period to schedule an exam and have 3 chances to appear. To schedule an exam, you go to PMI website and it directs to Pearson VUE website. After scheduling exam, it is time to prepare for exam. For exam preparation, you may consider review and study following documents. PMI Agile Certified Practitioner Handbook, PMI Agile Certified Practitioner Examination Content Outline, Agile Practice Guide, and most popular, a guide to project management body of knowledge called PMBOK Guide. PMI-ACP Certification Exam follows the examination content outline. Percentage of exam questions is break up among 7 domain areas. Domain 1, Agile Principles and Mindset, 16%. Domain 2, Value Driven Delivery, 20%. Domain 3, Stakeholders Engagement, 17%. Domain 4, Team Performance, 16%. Domain 5, Adaptive Planning, 12%. Domain 6, Problem Detection and Resolution, 10%. Domain 7, Continuous Improvement, Product, Process, People, 9%. PMI-ACP exam is available in 5 languages. Exam time is 180 minutes or 3 hours. Exam consists of 120 questions. Out of it, only 100 questions are graded. Format of questions asked is multiple choice. Exam performance report is immediately available after close of exam. Candidates receive a printed copy of preliminary test result along with an overall pass-fail status. Once exam is passed, you may refer yourself as PMI Agile Certified Practitioner and celebrate. Upon passing the exam, you get an elegant certificate. A digital version of certificate can also be downloaded from PMI website. You may also get digital badge from PMI partner company, a claim, and share it on LinkedIn or embed in your email signature. The online certification registry automatically lists names of PMI certification holders. This feature allows search and verification of certification holders. You are authorized to use the PMI-ACP designation in block letters after your name on business cards, personal letterhead, resumes, and websites, and in your email signature. Once passed the exam, next follows maintenance phase. PMI-ACP credential holders must earn 30 PDUs in 3-year period, pay renewal fee, and get a renewal certificate for next 3-year cycle. PDU stands for Professional Development Unit. 1 hour of learning accounts to 1 PDU. These PDUs can be earned in variety of ways such as education activities, continuing education classes, webinars, etc. And maximum you can earn in this category is 18 PDUs. And by giving back to community as working in profession, volunteering, and creating knowledge. Maximum you can record in this category is 12 PDUs. To conclude the PMI-ACP process, research well the options for career progression, do a self-assessment based on education, experience, and training, submit application for exam. Upon acceptance of application, prepare well, pass the exam to get certified, and maintain certification by earning PDUs. Good luck! If you need further information or help, IPD can help on decision making, assessing eligibility, filling application, and exam preparation as well. Thank you for watching, and if like, make sure to click like, subscribe, and the bell icons to watch other PMI certification videos and receive upcoming videos.